Right, welcome guys. This is Electro Teach, and today I welcome you to this video. Today I want to show you how to create playlists on your video, on your uploaded video on YouTube. How to use the playlist to actually enhance views on your videos, to increase the views on your videos on your channel. So for you to get the whole information, I want to encourage you to watch this video to the end. Don't skip any part so that you can learn every detail needed to learn how to use playlists, increase the views on your channel. If you are not getting the right view, you are getting 2, 10, 15, you can get more views on your videos by following these 3 steps. 3 steps. Let us go. Now, we will use practically a channel, one of my channels, to demonstrate that practically so that you can actually see it the way you can do it on your own video so that YouTube can copy it and increase the views on your videos. Now, if you are not getting the views on your videos and you have many videos uploaded on your channel, you need to link up these videos to your current upload or to existing uploads on your channel so as to multiply the views on your channel. Now you can get as many as possible views when you do this because your videos can link up themselves. And one is watching one of your videos, other videos in your channel will be introduced to them by means of playlists. So let's follow along this so that we can learn how to do this. First and foremost, what you need to do is to go to your channel and go to you need to go to your YouTube studio. Go to your YouTube studio. Then from there, you go to the contents where you are going to actually modify your videos after upload so that you can use the either end screen, playlists, or cards. And you can actually do this also for a current upload, the video you are about to upload. You can do it as you are uploading it. Or existing videos. You can go to the existing videos and begin to re-edit them to have all these features if you have not done so before. So let's follow along in this tutorial demonstration on this YouTube channel. Alright. On your YouTube video, for instance, when you launch your channel, for example, then from your channel, you can go to Studio. You open Studio. Alright. So you click on Studio, or perhaps if you are using a mobile device, you are using a phone, then what you can do is to open YouTube Studio rather than YouTube. So when you go to Studio, if you are following, I'm using a computer to demonstrate this. Okay. So when you open your channel like this, then you scroll down on the left here, we have YouTube Studio. Then you click on Studio. Then you go to Content. If you are using a computer, you go to Content. Also on your mobile phone, click on Content. Then you see all the contents. Then you have them categorized as videos, shorts, live, posts, playlists, podcasts, promotion, and so on. So depending on what you want to do, you now click on any that you want to use. For example, when you open it, it's by default, it will open onto videos on the system here. So if you want to work on videos, then you use that. Otherwise, if you want to work on the live posts, you click on live. Or if you want to work on playlists, you click on playlists. For example, let's look at playlists. So you have on the screen here, the playlists that are created on this channel. We have them. You see many playlists. Now, if you don't have playlists, you don't see anything here, then you can create a new playlist. Now, to create a new playlist, you can go to your video and look at a video that you want to add to playlist. For example, let me choose this video, this particular one here. You can click on the edit button here, the pencil here, which is edit button. When you click edit button, then you see so many menus that will come up. All right, so for example, you have these menus here. When you scroll down, then you see playlists. If you haven't created any playlist, you won't see anything here. Then you will see add to playlist. If you use mobile device, you see add to playlist. Then you click it.
So here I can create another playlist or add the same video to other playlists on the channel. There are so many playlists. It has been added to 3 playlists already, as you can see here. And if I want to add it to another playlist, I can add it to, for example, crop cultivation. Now, assuming the playlist I am interested in is not yet created, then I will go to new playlists. On your mobile device, you also see a blue text where they wrote plus new playlist. Then you click on that. Then you add the title of your playlist. For instance, let's say the title of my new playlist is cassava processing. Then I go to the description. I type the description because the public on YouTube will be able to see the description. So you type short information there that they can quickly read and know what the playlist is all about. How to process cassava into food. For example, we use that. Then visibility. You have to change the visibility. By default, the visibility is not set, so you have to change it to public. That is, you want people on YouTube to see it. If you don't make it public, if you choose private or unlisted, then people will not see that playlist. Now, after choosing public, then you can leave this one as default video order. And the default is the newest, we show first. But if you change it, then you can choose anyone you wish, maybe date published, most popular, oldest, newest, and so on. So let's say newest video, then you can click create. Immediately you click create, that video we are working on will be added to this new playlist, and the new playlist will also be created and listed among the list of the playlists you have on the channel. So that is it. So the playlist has been created now. We have a cassava processing. That's the number 1 here. Now we can click done after that. Then we will save it. We'll save it here. So we have to save it before you move away. All right. Now, assuming I want to add other videos to this playlist, then we go to those videos and click on edit. Then we add them to playlists. For example, let's go back to the contents, to the videos. All right. So let's say we want to add these existing videos to playlists. Then we can come here and edit them and add them to playlists. You can do the same thing on your mobile phone. Scroll down, go to playlists. Then from here, you click on the new playlist you want to add them to. Then you click done. And that is it. Now, how do we now use playlists to increase views on our videos? Now, what you do is when you have playlists created already, then you want to use that playlist to increase views on your videos. So you go to the video you want to attach the playlist to, go to the description. For instance, come here, you can click on these 3 dots and edit title and description. Then you have the title up, you have the description. Then you can scroll down the description here and then add the playlist as a link at the last part of the video. And then you can see them. We have playlists here already added. So we go to the playlist here. We copy the playlist link. The first thing you have to do is to copy the link. For instance, you come to playlists. So any playlist you want to add or any video, first of all, you copy the link by clicking the menu button here, the 3 dots. For instance, crop cultivation. If I want to add crop cultivation to a video, I click the 3 dots, then I click get shareable link, then the link is copied. Then I go back to that video and go and do addition of that play link to the description box. All right, for example, I may want to add that playlist to harvesting tomato as a video. So I can click the edit button here, or I click the 3 dots, either way, then we can add it. Okay, let's use the edit button. And that one gives us some more information. So we scroll down. So we have other playlists and videos added here. The three short links up here, they are videos. And the long ones, you can see playlist is written to them. So these are playlists. So we can add a new one to it, for instance. I'll click and paste. So we have the new playlist added. Then you click on save. Now, what now happens is that when people watch this video, so many people will click on more on your video title, which will show the description. And so when they click the description, you see these links. It will turn into title when they are watching it. It will turn into a title rather than a link. So the title of the video will be showing there. And then when they have interest in that video, they click it. Likewise, the playlist. The playlist will change into the title of the playlist. Once they click that, then the playlist will open for the person. The person can start watching the videos. anyone out of the videos listed on the playlist can be watched. Now, that will help you to link a current viewer to other of the existing videos, whether new or older videos. And that is one way to actually maximize the opportunity that you have by means of the playlist to increase the videos the views on your videos. And that is about the use of playlists. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell when I bring more interesting videos like this to get notified by YouTube. Until another time, I say bye-bye.